Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to move your downloads folder in Windows 10. Click this PC. Open C drive. Create download folder under C drive or any other drive. Right-click Default Downloads folder. Click Properties. Click Location tab. Click Move. Select newly created download folder. Click Apply. Click Yes to continue. Files are moved to new location. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.